Okay, we're documenting our first blizzard. It's just starting.
Yeah, really starting.
It's about 7:30 in the evening. The dogs are enjoying. Aiden, what do you think? Good. It's cold. There's Daddy inside. I think the dogs are liking it, Aiden.
It's slippery for me.
It is. Well, be careful. I don't want to go too far out because we don't have the lights on out here. Whoa!
What?
Mommy almost fell on her patootie. Let's get off the sidewalk. It's real slick. Boy, it's cold. Okay, well, we'll see how this looks tomorrow. It's going to snow all night tonight. I don't know what 2 feet of snow looks like freshly fallen, but we'll see in the morning. We have about, I don't know, let's use our slide as our measurement. So you can still see it also, not much. We'll gauge it from that and see how fun it gets. Aiden, those are going to be real icy, honey. Be careful. Okay, I'm going back inside.
No.
It's cold. Are you going to go down your slide? Okay, go down one time and then we'll go in. You're dressed for the weather. I'm not. Come on. All right, I'll video you. Here we go. Okay. Aiden the Great, down the icy slide.
Ow!
Yeah, stupid human tricks.
Next time it snows again, my slide's covered again.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be covered again in the morning. All right, buddy, we're going to sign off from part 1 of documenting our blizzard in Hampton, New Hampshire, December 26th, day after Christmas. Okay. You coming?
I don't like Christmas Day.
What are you, the Grinch?
What?
What are you, the Grinch? Okay.
I'm staying on mine.
All right, I'm not. Signing off.